Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
5 alternative takes on hollandaise sauce for your eggs Benedict. Use red wine. For a heartier sauce, that's especially good with steak and eggs, reduce dry red wine and port instead of white wine. Make a cheese sauce. Even easier, and potentially tastier, than fussy hollandaise? Brown the butter. Add morels. Use avocado.
Take our lead.
The difference is only in the flavoring. Bearnaise uses shallot, chervil, peppercorns, and tarragon in a reduction of vinegar and wine, while hollandaise is more stripped down, using a reduction of lemon juice or white wine. Bearnaise is a traditional sauce for steak.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.